The children are going to ride their mountain bikes today. They're excited.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm nearly ready. I love mountain biking.
When the children open the curtains, they see that it's raining.
If it's wet, we can't ride our mountain bikes.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. We can't go horse riding or hiking either. Never mind. There are lots of things to do in the lighthouse.
I know. Let's play the musical instruments in Luke's bedroom.
The children go to Luke's bedroom.
I'm going to play the keyboard.
Ravi, do you want to play the tambourine?
No, I'd rather play the drums. Do you want to play the electric guitar, Lily?
I don't know how to play the guitar, but I play the xylophone at school.
We can make a xylophone with some glasses, some water, and a spoon.
The children go to the kitchen to make the xylophone.
Pour a different amount of water into each glass.
Let's add food colouring too.
Good idea!
The children play their instruments.
I know! Let's make a music video.
Great idea. We can send it to Luke.
The children send the video to Luke.
Do you think he's going to like the video?
Later.
Wow! A water xylophone? Amazing!